Welcome back to another tech news. The world got to know the release date of Windows 11 officially. If you don't know what is Windows 11, watch this playlist. According to Windows official webpage, they say the Windows 11 will be released in 5th of October 2021. You can now see whether your PC meets the new minimum requirements for Windows 11. There are also some hard and soft requirements, including CPU types, leaving a lot of flexibility for which hardware can. Windows 11 requirements are shown above. Windows 11 is a big upgrade for Windows 10. They have given a lot new features in this new OS. Windows said that they won't change their Windows 10 hereafter, but when the new team came they have thought to change it. It is actually nice to use a new UI. Windows 11 is a free upgrade for Windows 10 users.